Hey friends, if you wish to remove the 3D objects folder under this PC in Windows, then please watch this video. So this is the this PC menu, and we can see the 3D objects folder here. Now a lot of people need it if they're working on 3D related projects, but a lot of people find this redundant. So here's how you can remove it. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now in the left pane, I'll expand it and show it. This is the left pane. In the left pane, we will go to this path, which is HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, and then scroll down, Windows current version, Explorer, my computer, namespace, and then under namespace there is a key named 0DP7E03F. You can easily identify it by the last word. It is FF41B. It starts with FF41B in the last column. So right click on it, select delete, click on delete once again, and then restart your computer and it will fix the problem. But let us see if it has already fixed it. Yes, that 3D objects folder is gone, but you still should restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.